Hello guys, this is another video to show you how to use the method of completing the square. So I'm just going to show you the easy and fast way to do completing the square. Okay, so let's take for instance you're given x squared minus 4x minus 6, and then you're told to factorize this using the completing the square method. So what you do is you put your two brackets and then x here and then x here. Okay, and then now you take this value here, the coefficient of x, this is negative 4. So you just set it negative 4 here, and then half of it will be equal to negative 2. So it means this value, which is half of this one, will be the one that will be in this bracket. Negative 2 there and negative 2 there. And remember that there was a 6 here, so you put your negative 6. And then now you subtract square root of this value, negative 2, like this. And then from there now you simplify further. So this is x minus 2 times x minus 2. So it will be x minus 2 squared minus 6 minus negative 2 squared times negative 2 squared times negative 2 squared, that will be positive 4. So like this. That means your final answer will be x minus 2 squared minus 10. That will be what you get after factorization. Okay. Even if you, okay, let's just prove if you can go back to this one. Let's just expand this. So if you expand this, it will be x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 10. And then it will be x squared minus 4x and then plus 4 minus 10, it will be negative 6. So you can see that this expression is identical to this expression. So it means we factorized, our factorization was complete. So this is just a first way of completing the square. Okay, let's use another example. To see if you can actually solve a 4-quadratic equation using the completing the square method. So let's take for instance we've got x squared plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. So the first thing that you do is we factorize using completing the square method. So it means now we take the coefficient of x, which is 6 here, and half of it will be equal to 3. So in our brackets it will be x plus 3 squared, and then minus this 5, and then again minus this value squared, minus 3, it will be squared like this. So here it will be x plus 3 squared, and then minus 5 minus 9, that will give us negative 14. This will be equal to 0, like that. Then from there now you can take this to the other side to say x plus 3 squared is equal to 14. Then from there now we just solve, we look for the square root of this one, square root of this one. So x plus 3 will be equal to square root of 14. So our x will be equal to, we take now this 3 to the other side. So it will be negative 3 plus or minus square root of 14. So our two answers will be negative 3 plus square root of 14 or negative 3 minus square root of 14. So this is how to solve a quadratic equation using the completing the square method. Okay, and then let's use another example. Let me just write this and then I'll put another example so that at least you can drive the idea home. Okay, so this one is x squared plus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so the first thing to do is we take the coefficient of x here, it is 8, so half of 8 is 4. So it means in our brackets we'll be having x plus 4 squared, and then plus this 4 and minus this number squared. So minus 4 squared, this is equal to 0. And then x plus 4 squared plus 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. So it will be x plus 4 squared, and then plus 4 minus 16, that will be negative 12, which is equal to 0. And then now x plus 4 squared will be equal to, now we take this 12 to the other side. So it will be equal to positive 12 now. And then from there now we can take the square root of both sides. So that is x plus 4 will be equal to plus or minus 2 root of 3. 2 root of 3 is identical to this one. We are just converting this into set form. So it means that our final answer now will be x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 2 root of 3, which will be equal to negative 4 plus 2 root of 3, or negative 4 minus 2 root of 3, like that. So this is how to solve a quadratic equation using completing the square method. Okay, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Okay, goodbye.